And if you're in the window of tolerance, then you're able to let the waves, the grief, the sorrow, the anger, what it is, you're able to move through, and you're able to stay more regulated. So what I talk about is, we're going to talk about collective trauma and intergenerational trauma, and those are oceans of unprocessed material. They are oceans. What we want to do today, all of us in this room, is we want to be in a boat together. We want to be in a boat together. We all have our own practices. We all know how to care for ourselves. What we do on our own is self-care, they call it, sort of, we want to self-care. But that's like having a life jacket, a sort of a personal life jacket to have with you on the waters. These waters aren't traversed very well at all unless you're with other people. So the more regulated you can stay today, the more regulated it's going to help the group stay today. I am going to try to not surprise you with anything that is going to be startling to the nervous system. I am certainly going to talk about some names of events, and I will give you a heads up so your system doesn't have to sit and wait to see what I'm going to say. Because I want you to take in today as much as you can and to translate it into your work. And if you're bracing all afternoon with me, that's going to be harder to do. And working with a group, we don't have to know each other. I work with groups of people who some people in the group don't even like each other. So I don't talk about, can you feel connected to the people in the room, because you might not want to feel or might not feel connected. But what we share together is a shared intention of taking these next 2 hours together and taking in and being traversing the waters as well as we can. So let me start with a little meditation, a little guided meditation, to see if we can get in the boat here.